yawns spread like magic. Hey, I'm Olo. Do you know why yawning is actually contagious in humans? When you see someone yawn, your brain automatically wants to copy that action instantly. This happens because of mirror neurons that help us feel empathy and bond. These brain cells activate when we watch others, making us mimic their yawns. It's an evolutionary trait that helped our ancestors synchronize sleep and stay safe. So contagious yawning shows our social connection. What makes you yawn? Comment below.